Hey y'all, is that thunder? Well, with all the storms that's been going on here in the Memphis, Tennessee area, I thought it might be a good idea to share with you some tips on how to stormproof your home. If you don't know who I am, I'm Deborah Taylor, a local real estate agent here in the Memphis, Tennessee area. Number one, clear your yard. Protect your home from any type of object that may become a flying object during those high winds. I tell you, here in Memphis, I've seen trampolines flying, I saw flower pots, all kinds of things fly when the winds are high. Take care to clear that yard. Tip number two, check the batteries in your alarm, your clocks, and get your weather radio. I tell you, when the power goes out, your internet goes out, your telephones go out, you need to have some type of form of communication to know what's going on in the outside world when those storms hit. Tip number three, trim and prune your trees and bushes. When the storms come, anything that is not connected properly or dead tree limbs can become flying objects. Not only that, if any trees that are not solidly rooted tend to come up. And that's what happened during these last storms. We had a lot of uprooting of the trees that fell on homes. So be sure to take care of your trees and your bushes. Tip number four, check your roof. A roof that is in good condition will protect the inside of your home. You want to make sure that there are no loose shingles because when the winds come and when they blow, they're going to expose your home and potentially cause internal damage as well. So keep an eye on that roof. And last but not least, tip number five, be prepared to shelter in place. This means having a flashlight, non perishable foods, battery operated radio that I mentioned, battery operated candles. They even have battery operated fans. So think about those things that you need in the event that you lose power. If you like information like this, be sure to like, subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Until next time, bye, y'all.